Welcome back to Beer Time Homebrew. Today I'm going to be walking you through the construction of a rustic all-wood bar. Starting out, I laid out all the 2x4s I would need to construct the basic box frame. Before using any screws, you have to pre-drill holes to make sure that you will have an easy time getting them in and proper adherence. For strength, the box frame has all the weight of the beams coming down on one long beam as its base. Here the basic box frame is complete. Now it's time to add the sides. I decided to add the sides by using screws rather than brackets. Now that the basic sides are put on, it's time to add some support. For this build, I decided to use plywood for the bar top and paneling for the sides. Additional plywood was used to make flooring inside the bar. At this point, it was time to start using some brackets to hold the bar top in place. Casters were added to the bottom with locking swivels so that it can be used in the garage or in the backyard. Now that the bar top and panels are in place, the bar is finally starting to take shape. In addition to the metal brackets, these wooden supports were constructed to help hold up the bar top and add to the rustic look. At this point, it was time to shave down the edges and add trim. Time to start staining. Now that the staining is complete, it's time to add polyurethane to have a nice shiny finish and protect the wood. Now it was time to finish up the trim. You might have noticed the wall behind the bar is now painted. The project's almost complete. Add a few stools, some friends, and some homebrew, and we have a bar.